maximize nutrient absorption, combat food intolerances, and relieve GI distress, all while having your cake and eating it too. Hey, Josh and Joel here, the founders of BioTrust Nutrition. And today we're here to talk to you about an extremely common, yet often overlooked reason you may not be losing fat as fast as you'd like, or perhaps even at all. And what's more, this same issue is also very likely robbing you of valuable nutrition, jeopardizing your health, and leaving your digestive and immune systems in a chronic state of stress. We're talking about inadequate digestion, and believe it or not, it affects almost everyone. You see, while our bodies naturally produce an array of enzymes to aid in the digestion process, due to age, stress, an unbalanced diet, poor eating habits, and exposure to artificial food additives, colors, and preservatives, it's extremely common for our bodies to no longer produce the necessary amounts of each enzyme to properly digest the food we eat. The end result is slowed or stalled fat loss due to digestion-related food intolerances, gastrointestinal issues and distress, and a whole host of other health-related problems, all stemming from insufficient digestive enzyme production. In fact, we've all heard the expression, "you are what you eat." But what if we told you that many of the healthy nutrients you're working so hard to consume on a daily basis aren't even being absorbed? That's right. Even with a near-perfect diet full of fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, lean proteins, and slow-digesting carbohydrates, it's still exceedingly common to suffer from food intolerances and nutrient deficiencies that arise from less than optimal enzyme production. Speaking of food intolerances, you may be wondering just how big of an impact these issues can have on your fat loss success, and how much of a difference effectively alleviating them can make. Well, in one study conducted by Baylor Medical College, 98% of participants displayed a significantly improved body composition and/or scale weight by adhering to one single dietary practice: removing foods from their diet which they tested positive for intolerances. At the same time, a matched control group who followed a calorie-restricted diet alone actually gained weight. But here's the best news yet. The fortunate reality is that you don't have to continue to waste valuable health-promoting nutrients or put up with food intolerances affecting your fat loss any longer. And even better, you don't have to follow some cumbersome diet that requires you to eliminate foods to do so. You see, while these issues can certainly have a dramatic impact on your rate of fat loss and your overall health, at BioTrust we've developed a solution that allows you to literally have your cake and eat it too. Introducing AbsorbMax, a comprehensive blend of 16 unique digestive enzymes that allow you to fully break down and absorb the nutrients contained in any and every food you eat. Just take one single capsule at the start of each meal, and you'll be enjoying optimal protein breakdown and absorption from meat to dairy to all veggie sources through a potent blend of 5 powerful enzymes that ensure each protein, regardless of source, is reduced to its fully absorbable peptide and free amino acid forms. Optimal carbohydrate and fiber breakdown and absorption through a total of 10 unique carb and fiber enzymes that make sure you get all of the goodness and nutrients from every vegetable, potato, bean, fruit, rice, and sprouted grain you eat. Optimal dietary fat breakdown and absorption through dual-action enzymes that cover a broad pH range. A specialized enzyme to fully break down lactose from dairy, while at the same time reducing or eliminating the bloating and gas that is regularly associated with these foods. Glucagon, a dynamic duo of 2 unique enzymes that has been shown in very recent research to be unmatched in its ability to fully digest gluten, assisting those with gluten intolerance and avoiding the harmful effects of this damaging protein. Enhanced absorption of health-promoting, age-defying, and disease-fighting vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, and antioxidants from all foods. And if that wasn't enough, AbsorbMax also boasts 3 other powerful support nutrients that not only help each enzyme do its job, but actually stimulate delivery of nutrients into the cells of the body, and even help avoid the delivery of those nutrients to belly fat stores. First up is cayenne pepper, a well-known spice whose active compound is an extract called capsaicin. Capsaicin has been shown in research to increase intestinal blood flow by 16%, helping enhance nutrient delivery to the various cells in the body that need them. But even more interesting is that capsaicin has also been shown in research to decrease blood flow and nutrient delivery to mesenteric adipose tissue, aka belly fat, by a substantial 12%. In other words, this distinctive ingredient makes AbsorbMax even more special by partitioning the nutrients that our unique enzymes break down away from belly fat and instead toward muscles and other body cells. The next support ingredient is coral trace minerals. Because all enzymes rely on a variety of mineral cofactors to function properly, we went with none other than the best to enhance the AbsorbMax blend. For starters, coral minerals are all natural, unlike synthetic mineral supplements, and naturally contain the full spectrum of trace minerals so valuable to the human body. Additionally, coral minerals play a more important role in the body than any other supplement, as these important minerals can directly improve the heart and circulatory systems as well as cleanse the digestive system. Lastly, AbsorbMax is completed with the addition of ginger, a common nutrient that has been shown in multiple research studies to further soothe the intestinal tract, which can be so easily irritated and inflamed. Simply put, if you eat food, and we know that you do, you should be using AbsorbMax. Just one capsule at the start of each meal ensures you get the full nutritional value of every food you eat, while relieving gastrointestinal distress and combating food intolerances that very well may be inhibiting your fat loss success. And just like all of our products, with AbsorbMax, you're fully protected by our unconditional 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee. So there's nothing to lose, especially the nutritional value of the healthy food you work so hard to incorporate into your diet. To begin experiencing just how easy alleviating the negative side effects of inadequate digestion can be, simply choose your money-saving package below the video image on this page, and then click Add to Cart. AbsorbMax. Don't eat food without it.